You may use the automated lanes to leave Singapore if you have previously enrolled your biometrics with ICA, such as on arrival. Before using the automated lanes, please remove any face mask, eyewear or headwear. Please insert your passport into the scanner with the biodata page facing down. Enter the lane when the gates open. You will be prompted on the use of the iris and facial scanning device. For iris and facial scans, look at the camera in front. In the event that iris and facial scanning cannot verify your identity, you will be prompted to use the thumbprint scanner. Please place your thumb firmly on the scanner and remove when prompted. Please note that you will not be given any departure endorsement on your passport. When the gates open, promptly exit the lane. Thank you and have a safe and pleasant trip.